welcome back to my channel, and now you're watching a 4-star property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of facts is now displayed on the screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, all guests are required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is superb and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, please read the description box. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new property. Till then, be safe, be happy.